Howdy ArtyAliens and welcome. I am Paul Yateman. I draw stuff. Sometimes I make stuff. In today's video I'm going through the artwork contained inside a low content Amazon KDP book I published this week titled Biomechanical Style Inking and Colouring Book 30 Designs to Apply Line Art and Colour. This book took over a month to create as it contains many of my HR Giga Challenge sketches. For this book, rather than it being an outright colouring book, I reduced the opacity of my images so they could be inked and coloured. Here the intention is that the drawings will inform the purchaser's own style. That's because these drawings are quite complex, and I guess if you had them as black and white line art images, they might be a bit busy / have way too much dark in them. While I was creating this book, I also began working on a how-to book based off my biomechanical drawings, and I intend to publish that later as both a print on demand and an ebook. I do not expect the book to be very thick, though I will enjoy keeping a copy on my bookshelf and referencing it from time to time. My keyword research gave less than 150 hits for biomechanical colouring book, which likely means there is no demand at all. I enjoyed making it at least and developed my skills in this department. The cover represents a Photoshop job where I created a lot of layers to produce the image. The plan is to explain a bit about that in my future style guide book. On the back cover I include 21 images as sample content. The number is nothing special, just what fits on the page and is sufficient to show a wide range of content so the buyer knows what to expect. And if the buyer came to this video and checked things out, they would really know what to expect, because I've been playing a slideshow of the contents as I've been chatting away here. So if you follow me on YouTube, you would notice some of these drawings here I did during the month of March, and some you haven't seen because they're just out of my sketchbook, which I've done historically in the past, like that Cthulhu. As per my other books, each image is framed, and for this one in my spacecraft book there is a bit of text on the opposite page explaining what's on the page that you would colour or ink. Anywho, if you found this interesting, informative, entertaining, you were inspired to create something or draw in your own sketchbook or journal, etc., subscribe, like and share. If you like the book enough to treat yourself or gift someone a copy, there's a link in the description. Until next time, you've been watching Making Stuff with me, Paul Yateman. Ciao, take care, and happy drawing or happy creating.